Hello friends, welcome back to Advocate Club. Today's video is all about the important instructions released by Savitribai Phule Pune University for SET. The exam is scheduled for the 15th of June 2025. I'll walk you through all the key guidelines, what to carry, what to avoid, and how to stay prepared so you are stress-free on the big day. 1. The candidate is required to carry the admit card, besides original identity proof such as driving license, election card, Aadhaar card, passport or PAN card etc., in absence of which candidate will not be allowed to appear for the SET examination. Though, if your admit card do not display image of your photograph, you have to paste a recent photo at appropriate place and get it attested from the principal, competent authority. 3. The candidate must sign the attendance sheet of each session, in absence of which his/her OMR answer sheets will not be assessed. 4. Candidate should report to the exam center 1 hour before commencement of exam. 5. Use only a blue, black ballpoint pen to shade the circles concerning seat number, subject code and answers on the OMR answer sheet for papers 1 or 2. The circle should be shaded completely, as instructed in the SET prospectus, first page of the test booklet. 6. There are 2 Omani Riles sheets, separate for each paper, and test booklet code is pre-printed on both OMR sheets. Do not shade booklet code on both OMR. 7. The candidate must ensure that the test booklet code pre-printed on the OMR sheet and on the test booklet is identical. 8. Ensure that the seat number or subject code are written or shaded correctly on the OMR sheets. Failure to do this, you will get 0 marks and you will be responsible for this mistake. Paper 1 Omani Rial sheets is without subject code. 9. No candidate shall be allowed to carry calculator, cellular phone, mobile phone, pager and other electronic devices in the examination hall, room 10. Please ensure that the details such as your name, subject, center, category, PWD category shown in the admit card are as per your online application form 11. Nota, DA will be paid to the candidates 12. Important note for physically handicapped candidates, 40% or more disability. If you are physically handicapped and if you are unable to write, please contact the superintendent of your examination center with relevant documents along with request letter, at least 8 days in advance for writer, scribe. Writer must be up to graduation of the subject other than your SET subject. 13. The candidate has to return the original OMR sheet at the end of each session to the invigilator in the examination block. However, candidates are allowed to carry the used test booklets of papers 1 and 2 along with carbon-less copy of both OMR sheets on conclusion of SET exam. 14. There will be no break between 2 sessions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.